Fabulous 103 FM with Kru Fon at Thai Time. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
It's gonna be when you taking care of the garden or you do the garden, it's ทำสวน
Tam Suan.
ใช่ค่ะ
To do gardening.
ใช่ค่ะ and if you take care of it you want to use the word take care is ดูแล
Dule Suan.
ถูกต้อง
And if you're too lazy, you have Kon Suan, who's the gardener.
ใช่ค่ะ คนสวนมาทำสวน
Yes.
Yeah.
Tam Suan. And if you're too lazy, hire Kon Suan, who comes round and does the work for you. And don't forget that Thai Time Every Day is sponsored by and produced by the Pattaya Language Centre, which is run by Kru Fon and two other Thai ladies, all with degrees and all teaching English, Thai and German. So if you or your family want to catch up and improve, especially right now, online, visit our website alwayspattaya.com and look for the link.